What I'm about to say may shock you, but sooner or later, you are going to find out. And this shocking fact is, donkeys can't take bubble baths. Really? Really? Oh, but diva ostriches can. 100% they can. And what about French giraffes? Oh, Gilles, you know that you prefer a stand-up shower. Oh, la la, you know me so well. What about sharks? No. Oh, can Dill take a bubble bath? If the water is made of pickle juice. Oh, blop. What about me, StoryTeller? Can fuchsia fish take a bubble bath? You know you can. Oh, I know, I just wanted to hear you say it. Blop, 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 blop. Well, you can, but Two-Tone, you don't like to. Yes, I know you. And of course, Corny the unicorn, of course what? Of course, unicorns can take bubble baths. Look, there is a unicorn right there to prove it. And why do you love to take a bubble bath so much, Corny the unicorn? Because it helps us make more magic when we are super clean. Good to know. Another fascinating fact that you've probably just learned. So let's dive in and examine exactly why donkeys can't take bubble baths. Really? Still really. But why? Let's dive in. And oh, here we go. We have a couple. Here they are. There's Donkey and there's Unicorn. And they look like they're friends. She eats the ice cream. He eats the chips. She dances gracefully. He dances like that. Oh, and this book belongs to you and me and the KidTime family. Here we go. La la. Look at this gorgeous, glamorous unicorn enjoying hot tea, maybe? Or maybe it's a cold tea. The point is, it has an umbrella, which makes it super festive. And her cat's also enjoying a nice cup of milk. And everybody's relaxing until... Hey, unicorn! Whoa. She went flying with her little baby umbrella and... Meow! Does not look happy to see the friends show up. I wonder why. Hi, Donkey. What you doing? Oh no. There's this one's just like suspicious and then upset because now Donkey comes and knocks over the table with her drink on it and there it goes flying. Oh, umbrella's gone, the drink is gone. I think the relaxing vibe is completely gone now. And he is filthy. I'm taking my bubble bath. Oh, that looks bubbly. It's my Mega Bubblicious Unicorn Soap. Oh, I love Mega Bubblicious Unicorn Soap. I get mine. Where? Over the Rainbow Mart. Oh, I can't reach up there though. Oh, the water's warm. And these two are like, yes, it's so relaxing. And his face is like, I don't know what that face is. Is he plotting something? Is he thinking of something? Is he thinking of nothing? I haven't had a bath since the last time it rained. What? It hasn't rained in a month. Oop, oop. I know. That's what you're smelling, little cat. And are those flies buzzing around? Oh gosh. Oh, he is filthy. Donkeys. Ew! Donkeys can go a month without bathing, but unicorns need to take a bath every day so we can look magical. Yes, that was a truth bomb that required a hairball to come out. And now he's looking at the hairball down here, and he's looking at her, and she's not even looking. She's like, I said what I need to say. I feel like the tension is just keeps ratcheting up in this beautiful bathroom. Well, it was beautiful until it got muddy. Maybe I could take a dip in your bubblicious bath soap. Dude, did he just... Oh! And they're like, my tub is very small. It won't fit both of us. I'll just squeeze in a corner. You won't even notice. Oh no. And the cat's like, what is happening? This is my beauty bath, my special time, my bubble bath. Oh, okay. I understand. Look, she's got wings. Look how pretty they are. But she is mad. I shouldn't be celebrating her wings because right now she's just focused on how angry she is. And also, kitty cat, also giving the glare of go away. Let's see. Maybe this is all over now. I'll just go. And he's like, yeah. And then she's like, oh, wait, is that regret on her face? And then, she's having a thought. You can tell it's a thought because if she's saying it, it would be like a little stick under the words, right? Like there's a stick when he speaks. I'll just go. But here, when it's like boop, 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 like a little cloud, it's a thought. And she's thinking, oh, no. She's feeling bad because she's thinking, Donkey is my friend. Oh, the cat's completely at peace with this, but now she's racked with guilt about sending him away, and that's her friend, and he just wanted a bath because he's clearly in need of one. Well, and the cat's like, what are you doing? No. But he can't stop her. I could maybe think about it. And he's like, what? And she's like, I'm not sure what I'm doing. And then he's like, yippee! And now they're both like, oh no, what have you done? Oh no, what have I done? And this one's like, oh yeah, you done it! Yippee! Only after you splash. Oh no. Clean up in the reading room. Clean up in the reading room. Mud got everywhere. Rinse yourself. Oops! She was gonna ask him to rinse himself first, but now it's too late. And look at this poor guy. Oh, I know he's unhappy, Two-Tone. And, well, Cat's not the only one who's unhappy. But, I guess he's happy? I really can't tell with that face. Does that look like a face of happiness? Well, actually, I guess it does. Oh, but the tension, you can cut it with a knife. And now this one's shaking off because, well, we know cats don't like to be wet, much less muddy and wet. Look at me, taking a bath between showers. Ha 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 ha. Not amused face. Oh, the stare. And the stare back. And then this guy, he's not going to forgive the donkey for this, I feel. And now he's complaining because what? Is that rain? It's raining? Rain! I didn't need a bath after all! The cat is just like, I am feeling this cat's feelings the whole way through. Because the poor cat doesn't even get words. He doesn't get a say in the matter, but he is having to suffer the consequences of everything happening here. I didn't need a bath after all. Donkey! And now he's getting up and it's gonna be awkward all over again. And now he's shaking and getting mud all over her and oh no! Clean up in the reading room. Clean up in the reading room. We keep getting mud. Apologies to the janitorial staff. Oh, poor thing. She just needs to get hosed down. Oof. Oh, what's wrong, Unicorn? What's wrong, he asks. Can't he see what he's done? I have to get out of this filthy mud water. Oh, poor thing. Be careful, though. Be careful, beautiful unicorn, because it is a mess out there. Oh, no! Whoops! Slip and splat. Yeah, come back again. Clean up in the reading room. Usual mud splatters. Thank you. Are you okay, Unicorn? Does that face say okay. And the cat's like, how is she? I don't know what's going on here. Unicorn? Unicorn? Now Donkey's all like, oh, fine, you think it's so funny. Yes, look, finally, she's having a good time. Yeehaw! And now they're having a good old mud down, aren't they? La, 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 and then awkward dancing and singing. This is like a beauty bath in the mud, a mud bath. You know, some spas charge good money for you to be able to take one of those fancy beauty mud baths. Ha, 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 ha. Look who's beautiful now. And the cat's just not. He's just like, you know what? I'm out of here, guys. That's it. I don't see you. Hello. Hey, it's time for our beauty bath. Oh, sorry, little friends. The tub is muddy. What we meant was a mud bath. Woo! Yippee! Oh, here we go. One last clean up in the reading room. Thank you. Apologies again. It's the donkey's fault, not ours. Oh, that was fun. It turns out that we can get clean and then we can get dirty clean. There's two kinds of clean. Who knew? Unicorns knew. Oh, unicorns knew apparently. And now, so do you. So kid, keep it clean. And if you're going to get dirty, have fun.